install video is pretty simple. The car already has aftermarket, beautiful Recaro seats. So we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. We did the driver's seat, and I'll show you guys how to do the passenger.
The unboxing, oh, it feels so good. Who else sniffs the shit that comes out the box besides me? Okay, just ASM. Anybody loves the smell of new stuff. Let's get it installed. So here would have been the seatbelt bracket. I already removed. It's pretty simple. This didn't have any bolts on it, so this normally would take 3 of the screws. Let's take off this 16 here, and it would come out. But seeing how we did that already, we're just gonna go ahead. Make sure we identify where we're going to use the hole for the. All right, so we're gonna use that hole for one buckle, and then the factory hole for the other buckle. And then as you can see on this side, the belt, we're gonna show you how to wrap that around the roll cage so it's nice and safe. And now he can take his thing on the track and feel confident that if it flips, he's not leaving his seat. God forbid. All right, so we have the OMP harness here. So you're not gonna need this. So you're gonna take this off. Excuse me. All right, so we're gonna take that off, and we're gonna put this where we want it, somewhat in the car. Trying to get them as equal as possible. Explain it. This is the bar. You're gonna go up to the bar, you go around the bar, right, and under here. All right, under here. This is the bar. Locking on the bar, right? You go back over here. You go back over here. Right? And then to lock it is back over. Right? And that's essentially what that is, like that.